If you want to give your skin some much needed TLC, face masks are the first thing you reach for. But treating yourself to a facial doesn't always require a trip to the salon. We've broken down DIY face masks that help you battle all your skin problems right at home. To make this effective homemade remedy, you'll need 2 tablespoons of bentonite clay, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, a pinch of turmeric and a few drops of tea tree essential oil. Mix the mask and add in some water to achieve a paste-like consistency. The minerals in bentonite clay can unclog pores, reduce oiliness and even out the skin tone. And when mixed with antibacterial and healing ingredients such as yogurt and turmeric, the mask can be used to maintain healthy skin. Apply the mask for 10 minutes before wiping it off with a washcloth, and you'll be bidding goodbye to oily skin in no time. Great for deep cleansing your skin, charcoal acts as a magnet that mops up excessive sebum, which is the primary cause of blackheads. All you'll need is 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal, half a teaspoon of bentonite clay, 4 drops of tea tree essential oil, and some water. Mix the ingredients and apply evenly on the skin until it dries, before washing it off with lukewarm water. Both charcoal and bentonite clay detoxify your skin, leaving it refreshed, while the tea tree essential oil disinfects the skin and heals acne. Use this mask once a week to get soft and glowing skin. We speak for everyone when we say that nobody likes those pesky dark spots and scars on their skin. But did you know that you can get rid of them at home? In a blender, add 2 papaya slices, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and blend it. The potassium in papaya hydrates the skin, fights dullness and pigmentation, while the antioxidant properties of the fruit reduces signs of aging. Yogurt reduces fine lines and tightens pores, olive oil moisturizes the skin, and the lemon juice lightens acne scars and pigmentation. Apply this mask evenly on your face and neck and wash it off after 30 minutes with cold water. Using this mask regularly will give your skin the hydration it needs. From sunburns to allergies, there are many factors that can turn your skin red, but the right ingredients can soothe your skin as well as reduce inflammation. Mix 1 tablespoon of ground oats, 1 tablespoon of cucumber juice, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply the mask to your face and wash it off after 15 minutes. Oatmeal soothes any red patches, and when mixed with cucumber juice, leaves a cooling effect on your skin. Honey tightens and gently exfoliates the skin, helping you achieve that enviable glow. Apart from tasting sinfully decadent, chocolate has several beauty benefits that can give you nourished and flawless skin. Mix 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder with 1 tablespoon of milk cream, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1/4 cup of milk. Cocoa powder is rich in antioxidants that not only fight sun damage but improve your skin's hydration and blood flow. Milk cream calms the skin, making it soft and supple, while honey and milk reduce redness and tone the skin. Let the mask dry completely before washing it off and use it once a week for gorgeous results. We all love pampering ourselves, and these masks will help you treat your skin with the goodness of nature. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.